I was booked in for a section in the Rotunda Hospital. We knew restrictions were in place, and I remember the night beforehand feeling quite worried, very anxious, and I suppose vulnerable. It was a strange time, knowing your family weren't going to be there, that my other children weren't going to get to meet their new brother in the hospital, which is the norm. Very worried with having a section where we going to be more at risk. Was the baby going to be okay? Were we going to get sick? All these things that you run through your head when you're at your most vulnerable. We arrived at 7 a.m. the next morning into the hospital, and my mind couldn't have been put more at ease. The staff, they were amazing. They were so positive. They couldn't do enough for us. From the surgeons to the midwives, everyone was checking in regularly, making sure we were okay, giving us the laugh when we were a bit down. Anything that we needed, our safety was paramount to them, especially that of my sons. The cleaners, they were around every few minutes. The hospital was spotless. I felt very safe there. I felt my son was safe there. In fact, when we had to leave the hospital, I was more worried than I was when we were there. They were amazing. So I just want to thank everyone in the Rotunda Hospital for helping us bring our little son Ollie into the world. I can never thank you enough. Thanks a million.